Hello and welcome back to Wrexham Volkswagen. My name is Shannon and today I'll be giving you a tour of this stunning Volkswagen T Roc R finished in a fantastic turmeric yellow paint. This is the 2-litre petrol DSG that's covered only 15 miles from new. Got your 19-inch Petrol alloy wheels, got the R-Line on the side. This car comes with an electric sliding panoramic glass sunroof, which is perfect for the current and upcoming season. This car is also great if you're into your exhaust, as it features a fantastic sports exhaust system. So I'll just pop open the boot so you can see how much space we've got. So as you can see, we've got lots of space for anything like your weekly shop. And then moving to the rear interior, this car comes with the winter pack, so you've got your leather upholstery, got your lovely carbon Nappa leather seats. Down here we have the aircon and some USB ports. And you've also got your Isofix in case of any children travelling with you. Then you've got your armrests and stored cup holders. So we'll get in and I'll show you some of the features on the inside. So moving to the front, you've got your touchscreen display including your DAB digital radio. Also got your wireless app connect to connect your smartphone. The car also comes with Bluetooth. Got your sat nav, a nice clear map for you to use when you're on the road. Got your parking sensors to help you park your new car. Moving down, you've got your heated seats and the 2-zone climate control. Got some USB ports down there. And you've got your DSG gearbox with the DCC to change your driving, whether it's sport, comfort or normal, depending on how you feel. Your storage armrests. I'll give you a close-up of the Nappa leather seats with the R embroidery. These are also height adjustable. I'll just take you around to the dash. And then you've got your multi-function leather steering wheel with the R-Line in. Your front and rear electric windows. Got your SOS emergency. And I'll just show you your panoramic glass sunroof, which is perfect for the weather at the minute. So you just open and close the blind just here. Just give you a close-up of the digital Cockpit Pro. I really hope you liked the car. If you would like any more information, then please give us a call. Thank you for watching.